You can move the model by clicking the X, Y, and Z arrows of the gizmo and dragging it in the desired direction. By holding down the Shift key on the keyboard while dragging, you can move the model at fixed intervals. The rotate function allows you to rotate the model by clicking the arc of the gizmo and dragging it. By holding down the Shift key on the keyboard while dragging, you can move the model at fixed intervals. Lay flat mode can be enabled in the rotation settings window and allows the selected mesh of the model to be placed flat on the build plate. The scale function allows you to adjust the size of the model. You can adjust the model size by entering values for each X, Y, and Z axis in the settings window. When uniform is checked, the size is adjusted at the same ratio in all directions. If gizmo scaling is enabled in the settings, you can easily adjust the size by dragging the gizmo. Auto layout is a function that distributes multiple models across the build plate. It is useful for efficiently arranging multiple models.